How to merge C drive and D drive on Windows. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily merge C drive and D drive on your window. In my case, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can merge these two, but the process is the same. But you have to make sure that before you merge this drive to the empty drive to the previous drive, the empty drive, this drive must be empty. So if you're trying to merge D and C, make sure there is no other drive. Merge it to this one first, and then empty it out by transferring it to a hard disk or anything, and then merge it to this one, or split it and merge it how much you want the storage to be merged here, and then finally move everything back into your drive. So the first thing you do is open up your disk management. So type in create uh, add format hard disk partition. And now, as you can see, I have this E drive. First, I'm just gonna have to unallocate this memory. So click on delete volume, and then click on yes. So as you can see, it has now been unallocated memory. Now you're gonna right click on the D drive, and you have an option to extend the volume. Click on this, keep tapping on next, and now it has been merged to the D drive. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.